Hi folks, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the MI branded robot vacuum cleaner. So if you see this product, right, so by looking the image also you can understand what is I'm going to unbox today. So I will show you what is the products accessories they have provided and how to use means it will be reviewed after using of this product, and I will show you in the setup process in another video. So stay tuned. We will see what is the products and dimensions and everything we will show here. So if you see this product, right, so it's showing that the specifications has a 2100 PA power session and a new navigation process also they have used, as well as two-way cleanup also process is there, app control also there, three-step water flow is there, restriction area. So restriction area means that if you want to clean up only kitchen, then you can use it. If you want to clean up only the bedroom, so you can access like clean up the bedroom, then it will be cleaning the bedroom. So if you want to hall only alone, it will be cleaning the hall alone. So like this, so many features are there. It has a A7 chip processor and water control and water stabilization. It's leakage protection also there. It's they have inbuilt features like it will control the water leakage also. So accurate mapping means if somewhere it's happened missed the position of the any area, certain area, it will come again and it will clean it up that area. So it's like a capturing all the information. So if you want to see which area it has missed, which area it has cleaned, then only you can see the in mobile app. So they have their mobile app. So if you see this 20 of high dump, like it's crossover is there, then it will be taking that level also. So it will be climbing that level also. So these are the main features if you see, and if they are strictly telling that if you have any fire near to your location, then you have to stay away from this product. So it's having a lithium battery, so it will going to explode. So it's highly dangerous. So other than this, if you have any leakage or it's swelling, the battery is swelling, then you have to immediately stop using this product. So you should not keep on continuing like a mobile charger, old type model mobile chargers. Do not leave it's at high temperature areas. So we should not use in high temperature means if you keep this outside of sun area, sunset like that, then it's harmful to us because it has a battery, inbuilt battery. So let's open quickly and I will show you what's inside. So it has a in sticker on MI branded logo. So if you see here, so I have removed it and I kept below that. Let's open quickly and I will show you. So if we have to open like this, so after that we have to remove that. It has a smiley symbol. So let's remove this and let's see what's inside. So it has a brushes on it if you see. So these are the brushes, two brushes. One is for spare also they have given. So if one is damaged or one is broken, then it's easy to have one more set. So it is a cleaning mop. So if you want to mop whole floor, so you have to attach this, so then it will easily clean the floor. So if you don't want this cloth, right, so they will provide one more cloth, so you can use that one to detach this and attach that one. So this is the main product. You see the weight of the product is very high, so it's around 1.5 feet area. So this is the product. It's shiny and black from top side. You should not keep your any objects on this above on this. So it's delicate one if you see. So this is a only panel. So it will has a holder of dustbin. So you have to clean up after the dustbin is full. So if you have any dust particles unattachables or undetachables, then you have to use this one, so to clean up the what is the dust particles. Okay, if you have any threads or anything wire type model, if you want to cut this, you can use this sharp one. So like the so many features is there considering a Indian standard cleaning methods. So we don't know how much it will help Indian people to not to use the sweeping method. So if you have see this, there is so many sensors here. So here one sensor, and here also there is a camera model like a sensor. So these are the sensors. I will rotate this, so I will show you. So these are the wheels, three wheels are there. So this is one is 360 degrees rotatable, and these are the straight forward, so backward and forward direction only. So this is rubber made, so which is cool. This is the brush which will clean up our dust and collect everything into dustbin. So we have to attach the cleaning mop here. So from here the water flow will come outside and it will clean up everything. So this having given the details about MI vacuum cleaners, product name is given, power is 33 watts it's required, and 20 watt volts of voltage it will has taken, and 1.2 amps of current it will consume. So these are the details it has given. Product name is shown is robotic vacuum cleaner. So these are the main features of this accessories we have to use, and those accessories also they have provided. So just two parts we have seen, so let's see what's extra we have. So there is given a warranty card also, so in that manual also there. So this is a one type of cleaning cloth model. So if you want this model, then you can use it, or it's a spare model only we can say. And this is a charging pad. So if you want to charge this, right, so you have to use this one charging pad. If you have filled up with a dustbin, then you have to use this extra dustbin, so then it can be easily clean at a time both. After that, this is a charging pad. So if you keep on this on floor, right, so it will automatically come to charge itself whenever it's charging is low, or it's thinking that the charging is not sufficient to clean up whole the room. It will charge and it will come automatically without we have to move or anything. Before its end time, it will come to charge it, and it will charge after fully. It will come again to resume the process. Whenever it stopped, then from there it will be starting the vacuum cleaner. So I will show you in another videos like how to set up this process, and how it is cleaning, and I will show you the how it's cleaned, everything I will show you. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like and share the video, and if you need more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. It will more help us. Thanks.